Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I am going to make this beautiful little sparrow inspired by artist Shehnaz Beck. I hope you enjoy making this gorgeous art with me. You can try this out with your little kid. So let's get started. You need a 6-inch MDF board or any other similar dimension surface, a marking pencil and a fine brush. You also need a brush throw technical pen, or you can use any other permanent black marker, dotting tool or toothpick. Lastly, we need the sponge brush for making the base coat. So friends, let's start with making the base coat. I'm dabbing the surface of this MDF board with white color using this sponge brush. You just have to pick a very small portion of the paint and dab the surface. Don't rub it too hard or scrub it. You just have to dab, dab, dab. So friends, after it is completely dry, you have to make a sketch of a sparrow as I am making it here. I'm using a regular graphite pencil, but you can use any other marking pencil that you have. So I'm starting up with the beak and the head part, and now I'm making this wings. And then the neck part, and then the body part. And then I'm making the tail part. If you have a large surface, then you can make it little longer, as the diameter of the MDF board was 6 inches, so I'm making a small sparrow here. And then I'm making these little flowers with multiple petals on it. I really like these kind of flowers. And then I'm making another flower. If you are making on a bigger surface, then you can make more flowers, but I'm making just 2 flowers here. I found some space, so I'll be making more petal. And then I'm making the leg of the bird. And then I'm making this branch with a few leaves on it. Then I'm making these 2 lines near the neck part of the bird. I'll fill it up with beautiful colors. Then I'm making another branch with few more leaves. Now I'm making the eye, just making a small round shape in the eye. And then I'm making the crown of the bird. I really like the birds with these crowns. So on the first part of the head and the neck area, I'm coloring it with the paintbrush, and I'm using the crimson red color here. You can use any other red color like brick red or Indian red color that is available in the market, but I really like the pop-up color of the crimson red here. So friends, now I'm coloring the tail part of the bird. So here are a few feathers that I'm coloring it with crimson red, and I'm leaving behind some feathers in between that I'll color it up with green color. Now I'm marking few diagonal stripes on the body part of the bird. These are little feathers of the bird. Now I'm making similar feathers on the wings of the bird. So I'm making two small curves and then I'm making these U-shaped structures. Now using a fine brush, I'm coloring the first U-shaped structure with green and then with yellow color. Then I'll be coloring the alternate row of the feather with green color. Now I'm coloring the leftover tail part of the bird with green color. Friends, I have mixed a small portion of yellow color, a few drops of yellow to the dark green color, and then I have colored the leftover feather part of the wings of the bird. I forgot to capture it on my camera. I'll show you how it looks now. Then I'll be proceeding towards the body of the bird. I'm coloring it with yellow color alternatively. Now coloring the leftover part with the magenta color. And now I am coloring the stripe on the neck with magenta color. Now I am proceeding towards the flower part. I am using teal blue color for making the petal of the flower, using the same fine bristle brush for making it. You have to leave the central part of the flower. We'll later dot it with some different color. Now I am coloring the leaf part with green color. Dot the center of the flower with magenta with a pencil. Now I am coloring the crown part of the bird with golden color. Friends, I am outlining the bird with brushstroke technical pen. I am using 0.8 number pen for outlining the body of the bird. You can use a permanent marker or a sketch pen if you don't have similar pen. Friends, let me tell you a story behind the inspiration of this art. I am born and brought up in a very small town of India. It's a place near the central part of India, and my hometown was surrounded by beautiful jungle. I have always loved these small birds because my house was full of small sparrows. So my mother had a perception of that there is prosperity in a house where the sparrow makes the nest. So we always have too many nests in our house in different windows of our room. So I have a nostalgic relation with these birds, and I always love them, and whenever I get chance of bird watching, I go ahead wherever I travel. This is one of the very favorite thing that I always do. So friends, now I'm coloring the leftover part of the body of the bird with orange color. And now I'm making the eye of the bird with a small dot made with a pencil with a black color. Now I'm again making the borders on the part of the crown and the head that is left behind. Now I'm making some small vertical lines on the wings of the bird. I'm highlighting the yellow color and the light green color and also the dark green color. Then I'm making few lemon yellow color small dots on the wing. You can use a toothpick or a dotting tool for making it. Now I'm continuing the vertical lines further and then dot dot dot. Now I'm making few green color dots on the magenta color of the body of the bird and then making crimson color small dot on the yellow part of the body of the bird. Now I'm making small tiny dots randomly on the stripe that I made previously on the neck of the bird. I'm using pearl white color here. Now I'm making few horizontal lines on the tail of the bird and then making some oblique lines just like we do in the leaf, in the vein part of the leaf. Similarly we have to do it here. Similarly we have to fill the complete tail like that with a brushstroke pen. Now make two tiny legs. Now make borders of the leaf and the branches. Now in the tail part, I am making few small tiny dots with lemon yellow color. Now I will fill up the petal of the flower with pearl white colored dots. I am making tiny random dots. You don't have to be very clean with these dots. You just have to dot very randomly here. Now I am using a toothpick and making two dots at the center of the flowers using pearl white color. And then I am dotting the center of the eye with the same pearl white color. I am making few dots at the collar of the bird with the same pearl white color. So friends, as we are moving towards the completion of this artwork, I decided to give some texture to this artwork by making few tiny dots with a toothpick at the background of the white color. So I'm making these tiny dots with pearl white color. I will also be coloring the leg part of the bird with golden color. Friends, the tail part looked incomplete to me, so now I am filling the complete tail with yellow tiny dots. Now I am dotting yellow dots on the leaves. Friends, I really enjoyed making this artwork for you all. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and let me know in the comment section if you have tried it. Give me a thumbs up if you like my artwork. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Take care. Bye bye.